If you're a contractor and your laser level is even slightly off, you're not just risking a crooked line. You're risking callbacks, lost time, and your professional reputation. In construction, precision isn't optional. It's everything. Today, we're putting the Makita SK700GD green multi-line laser level under serious real-world testing conditions. Not a tabletop demo, not marketing hype, real job site scenarios, framing, tile layout, cabinet installs, electrical alignment. The big question is simple. Is this the laser level professionals should actually trust in 2026? Or is it just another premium price tool riding on brand recognition? By the end of this full in-depth review, you'll know exactly whether the SK700GD deserves a spot in your truck, or whether your money is better spent somewhere else. Let's get into it. Problem statement. Let's be honest. Every contractor has seen it. Cabinets that don't line up, tile patterns that drift, stud walls slightly out of square, and most of the time, it starts with poor reference lines. When your layout tool is weak, dim, or inconsistent, every measurement after that is compromised. A professional laser level should eliminate doubt. It should be bright, accurate, reliable, and tough enough for real job sites. So, today, we're evaluating whether the Makita SK700GD meets those standards, or falls short. Welcome back to the channel, where we test professional tools the way they're actually used on job sites across North America. If you're new here, this channel is built for contractors, remodelers, electricians, plumbers, framers, and serious DIY professionals. We focus on tools that increase speed, precision, and profitability. Today's spotlight is on the Makita SK700GD green multi-line, built for professional layout work. Makita claims premium visibility, multi-line coverage, durability, and job site accuracy, but claims don't build houses. Performance does. Let's break it down step by step. Before we move further, if you care about buying tools once and buying them right, hit that subscribe button right now. We publish in-depth tool reviews designed specifically for Western contractors and serious professionals. No fluff, no paid hype, just real testing and honest evaluations. If precision matters in your line of work, this channel will help you make smarter investments. Now let's get into the unboxing and first impressions. Unboxing experience. Opening the SK700GD, the first impression is clear. This is not a budget homeowner tool. It comes in a durable carrying case designed for transport and protection. Inside, you'll typically find the laser unit, mounting bracket, target plate, instruction manual, and battery compatibility depending on kit. Everything feels secure and professionally packaged. No loose parts, no flimsy presentation. Right away, it communicates durability. And for contractors, durability equals confidence. First physical impressions. The moment you pick it up, you feel the weight. Not heavy in a bad way, but solid. The rubber overmold casing feels thick and impact resistant. The housing doesn't flex. Buttons feel tactile and responsive. The laser windows are well protected. This is built to survive truck beds, ladders, and active job sites. Makita clearly designed this with professionals in mind. Design and controls. The interface is simple, and that's exactly what you want. Power button, line selection controls, clear indicators. No complicated menus, no unnecessary tech features. You turn it on, select your beams, and get to work. In high-pressure environments, simplicity wins. The less you have to think about your tool, the more you can focus on the job. Green laser technology. Let's talk about green beams. Green lasers are significantly more visible to the human eye than red ones. The SK700GD uses high-intensity green diodes that produce sharp, crisp lines. Indoors, the brightness is immediately noticeable. Even in well-lit spaces, the lines remain highly visible. This improves speed, reduces strain, and increases accuracy. For professionals working long hours, visibility matters. Indoor visibility test. Inside residential spaces, kitchens, bathrooms, hallways, the laser performs impressively. Lines are clear across 20 to 30 feet without fading. In bright rooms with windows open, visibility remains strong. For cabinet installers and drywall crews, this means fewer adjustments. You can trust what you see, and when layout is fast and confident, projects move smoother. Outdoor visibility test. Now, outdoors, things change. In shaded areas, performance remains solid. In direct sunlight, like most cross-line lasers, visibility decreases. For extended outdoor layout, a laser detector is recommended. This isn't a flaw, it's normal physics. But within its intended range, the SK700GD performs competitively. Accuracy testing setup. Accuracy is where professional tools prove their value. We tested short-distance wall projections, mid-range hallway alignment, cross-check reverse leveling methods. Each test measures consistency, not just one lucky result. Precision must be repeatable. Accuracy results. Results were strong. Deviation remained minimal within standard job site distances. For framing layout, tile alignment, and cabinet leveling, it meets professional expectations. It's not a surveying instrument, but for interior construction work, it delivers reliable consistency. And reliability builds trust. Self-leveling system. The self-leveling mechanism activates quickly once placed on a stable surface. If positioned beyond leveling tolerance, the beam flashes to warn you. That safety feature prevents accidental misalignment. Leveling time is fast. No long wait, no unstable drift. It locks in and holds. Mounting bracket system. The mounting bracket is a critical component. Strong magnets allow attachment to metal studs or beams. Tripod compatibility increases versatility. Fine adjustment knobs allow precise micro-adjustments. Once positioned, it remains stable. Movement during layout is costly, and this mount prevents that issue. Multi-line functionality. The multi-line projection allows multiple references simultaneously: horizontal, vertical, cross intersections. Instead of repositioning constantly, you can map entire sections quickly. This saves serious time on complex installations, and time saved equals increased productivity. Battery platform. The SK700GD integrates with Makita's battery system. If you already use Makita tools, this is a major advantage. Battery swapping is quick. Connection feels secure, no wobble. For contractors invested in Makita, this compatibility reduces cost over time. Runtime testing. In single-line mode, runtime extends significantly. In full multi-line mode, battery drains faster, but remains job site practical. You can complete major layout tasks without interruption, and that consistency supports workflow efficiency. Durability discussion. This tool feels job site ready. Impact-resistant casing, protected laser housing, sealed buttons. While we don't recommend abuse, it's built for tough environments. Makita has a reputation for durability, and this model aligns with that reputation. Cabinet installation. For cabinet installers, this laser simplifies upper and lower alignment. Set your baseline once, project horizontally, install confidently. Less measuring, less adjustment, cleaner finish. Tile installation. Tile installers benefit from vertical and cross-line projection. Pattern alignment becomes faster. Spacing remains consistent. Mistakes are reduced significantly. Precision tile work demands clear reference lines, and this provides them. Framing and electrical. Framers can use vertical lines for stud alignment. Electricians can align conduit and switch boxes. Plumbers can align pipe runs. Versatility increases value. This is not a single-purpose tool. Ergonomics and handling. Grip feels secure. Weight distribution is balanced. Controls are reachable and intuitive. This might seem minor, but long workdays reveal poor design quickly. Here, ergonomics feel considered. Noise and operation. Operation is quiet. No excessive mechanical noise. Leveling mechanism is subtle and controlled. It feels refined. Not cheap, not unstable, just smooth operation. Comparison perspective. Compared to other premium green multi-line lasers, the SK700GD competes strongly. Brightness is competitive. Build quality is strong. Battery compatibility gives it an edge for Makita users. It holds its place in the professional category. Who this tool is for. Ideal for professional contractors, remodelers, cabinet installers, electricians, and tile setters. If you rely on layout daily, this tool makes sense. Who it's not for. If you're a casual DIY homeowner doing one project a year, this may be overkill. It's priced for professionals and built for daily use. Pros summary. Bright green laser, strong build quality, accurate performance, multi-line versatility, Makita battery ecosystem. These strengths make it a serious professional option. Con summary. Premium pricing, detector needed for strong sunlight, heavier than entry-level lasers. No tool is perfect, but these are manageable trade-offs. Final verdict. The Makita SK700GD delivers professional-grade performance. It's built for real contractors. It performs reliably. And when precision impacts your income, reliability justifies investment. For serious professionals, this tool makes sense. Final call to action. If this in-depth review helped you make a smarter decision, hit that subscribe button right now. We test professional tools the way real contractors use them. No hype, no bias, just honest evaluations. If you're building your 2026 tool lineup, you don't want to miss the next review. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you on the next job site.